financial year 2008-2009, the tax payment data from the banks was not reconcilable. The tax deductors did not report or pay the tax deducted at source. The taxpayer found the process of claiming TDS credit cumbersome and challenging. The taxpayers had to submit voluminous paper returns with multiple annexures. Compliance cost for the taxpayer was high, both in terms of time and effort. The manual system of data entry and return processing was time-consuming and error-prone. There was a huge backlog of unprocessed returns. To address the above challenges, the department initiated the process of computerization of its core functions. The initiatives focused on providing e-enabled end-to-end services and opening up multiple channels of communications via website, call center, SMS, etc. Thus, a non-intrusive tax administration system, or NITAS, was put in place. NITAS comprises of Tax Information Network to receive TDS statements and tax payments across the country, e-filing portal to facilitate online filing of income tax returns, Centralized Processing Center to process the income tax returns, Refund Banker for delivery of refunds. Each of the components is tightly coupled as the output of one initiative forms the input for the next initiative. The Tax Information Network, TIN, enables e-payment through net banking, ATMs and 13,000 branches of 33 banks. More than 80% of the direct tax revenue involving 20 million challans comes through e-payment facility that is available 24/7. Further, e-TDS is being facilitated through online services and 2,500 centers across the country. Today, more than 98% of TDS statements are received electronically, reporting more than 400 million transactions. The TIN ensures that accurate tax credit is available to the taxpayers against taxes received in the government account on a near real-time basis. As a major transparency initiative, the annual tax credit statement in Form 26AS is available online to 35 million taxpayers. Taxpayers can now ensure the correct reporting of income and TDS based on the information available in their 26AS. The initiative has already benefited 15 million taxpayers who have viewed the 26AS available online. Thus, NITAS has benefited the taxpayers by way of flexibility in tax payment, accurate credits of taxes and improved transparency. The department also benefits as it has increased revenues and minimized instances of fraud. The initiative for e-filing of income tax returns with its motto, "Don't be part of the line, just go online," facilitates online submission 24/7. In the financial year 2011-2012, 16.4 million returns were filed electronically. Until 31st January 2013, 15.6 million returns have already been filed electronically. Nearly 78% of the electronic returns are being filed voluntarily. NITAS has therefore provided to its taxpayers a fast, easy and secure way of filing income tax returns. The availability of data in the electronic format has facilitated processing of income tax returns through a technology-enabled centralized processing center at Bengaluru. The CPC facilitates completely automated end-to-end e-processing of the returns, including matching of tax claims with tax payments and TDS. The call center at the CPC addresses 4,000 taxpayer calls per day. The center has processed more than 30 million returns with present peak processing of 2 lakh income tax returns per day. The average processing time has been reduced from more than 1 year to less than 47 days, thus clearing the huge backlog of unprocessed returns. More than 9 million refunds have been generated and issued through the CPC. This has resulted in a perceptible improvement in the taxpayers' experience and their engagement with the Income Tax Department. The Refund Banker scheme is yet another innovative step under NITAS to enhance taxpayer satisfaction. It has eliminated human intervention in the issuance of refunds. Online tracking of refund status has increased transparency. The initiative has benefited the small taxpayers. In the last year, more than 10 million refunds, that is more than 98%, were issued through Refund Banker. The success of the initiatives is attributable to the proactive approach of the department in aligning laws and procedure for effective e-delivery of services. The Income Tax Department provides the strategic leadership through active participation by officers of the department. The managed service providers support the initiatives with the technology infrastructure under the public-private partnership model. NITAS has made it possible to roll out simple, responsive and taxpayer-friendly services. While it has reduced the cost of compliance for the taxpayers, the government has benefited in terms of higher revenue growth. The Income Tax Department now has reliable data that is helpful in policy formulation and also for overall tax administration. Apart from being efficient, time-saving and easy, NITAS is a green initiative as it saves paper, trees and office space. The contribution has been acknowledged by known personalities in the government and outside. Honorable Union Finance Minister Shri P. Chidambaram was greatly impressed by the technological lead the IT department has taken.
I think the important thing is the income tax reform in this country using technology is one of the huge untold stories. I think implementations like this, the tax information network, TDS at source, reconciliation. When GDP was growing at say 8%, when inflation was at 7%, that means 15% was the nominal GDP growth. Your tax rate collection was going at 40%. It was happening because you had built better systems.
So it's a big boon to the taxpayer. Secondly, it's also a big boon to the government, which will now be able to collect every single rupee that is deducted and account for every single rupee.
The journey in bringing better services to the taxpayer has just begun. The CPC TDS has been dedicated to the nation. The Income Tax Department is committed to provide excellence in public services.